Wabash Railroad Swing Bridge, built in 1861. Swing through truss. Originally built in 1861, was the trusses and swing span replaced in 1879 after being destroyed in the storm, abandoned in 1955, and removed in 1957. Right, so it got truss spans approaches, right, over and it crosses the Illinois River at Meredosia, Illinois. And see, and look at this right here, right? So, yeah, it is on Pearl Street, and so, and so it was destroyed in the storm, maybe like a hurricane or whatnot, right? So, and so this, so it was located downstream from the highway bridge. So it's really removed. So yeah, so it's used by the Wabash Railroad in Meredosia, Illinois.